Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine. Today, my topic name is unit number 12, uh, 12.1. So, we have to discuss today our topic that's called different shapes, faces, and many other things like here as we discuss in the class. So, I hope all of you know how to find the faces. Here, you can see this is a picture. He said count and name the 2D faces of square space pyramid. So first thing you have to know why he says square. Square because its base is have a four-sided and that's same like a square. Not same 100% it's a square. Okay. So their base is a square. And what name the different shapes? Like the first one that is on the base that is called square. Other all is a triangles. Okay. So like that. So here, how many faces this will have? We have four triangular faces. Okay, and one square. So like this we have to know results. Now, let's talk about question number one. Question number one is same as it is. Like he say, how many rectangular faces? One, down is two, behind is three. So there are three rectangular faces and triangular faces this side and the behind side. Here he say how many rectangles we have? One, two, three, four, five, and six. Six rectangular faces and no triangle. Okay. So like this, we have to solve this question. Now here, let's talk our remaining all question is as it is same. Now question number four, he said here, how many straw we are using to make this type of square base pyramid? So obviously we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is here. How many modeling clay are using? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many straw would be the maximum to make if you want to make a cuboid? So this already 8. So we have to put 4 more so we can make a cuboid. How many pieces modeling clay would maximum needed to make a cuboid? How many pieces of modeling clay? So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 is this one and 4 more. So total is 8 modeling clay we need to make this one. So let's go to the chapter number. Sorry, another exercise. The rest of the questions and all these things are as it is same. So because we already discussed all these exercise and all the parts. So I hope there you understand everything. Now here, cubes are special type of cuboid. If the cuboid is also a cube, what is the fewest number of the square it can have? He don't say cube, he say cuboid. Okay. So cuboid have two types. Okay, the minimum two, maximum four. We can say like this. Okay, because it's a cuboid and they must have some differences. How many faces can it have that are not square? So totally six. If two is what we call it squares. So obviously four is other than this. If a cuboid is not a cube, what is the greatest number of square faces? Cuboid is not a cube. Okay, what is the greatest number of square faces? It can have. So obviously this will have four. Write two sentences to describe the two cubes and cuboid. So this is your home task. You can find from internet as well. Okay. So, but it is your task. Try to think and then write the answer. Now here, 12.2. Afif have cut and unfolded. So this one he unfolded. What shape was the box? How many faces does the shape have? So obviously you have to count. This also have a 6 faces. Okay. So what shape has a box? Box has a cuboid. And what shape are the faces? What shape are the faces? Shape faces is rectangles. Mostly all of them are rectangles. So same thing is here. What shape was the packet? This all packet, what is the shape? It's a prism, and one, two, three, four, five, six hexagonal prism. Okay. How many faces did the shape have? One, two, one, two, three, four, five, six, eight faces. Okay. And what shape are the faces? So these two have two hexagon and all other are rectangles. So I hope you understand. This is also easy exercise. And this is the last chapter of this exercise. Last unit. So as it is same, these all things we already discussed in the class. So if you have any question, you can discuss with me in the class as well. So I will answer you. So here question number 6, this is important things. He said what 3D shapes should it make? So this is another 3D shape, but not but one face is missing. Yes, obviously. So if we make this is a prism and its name is called triangular prism. So what 3D shapes should make here? And what is the shape of the faces is missing? One missing, that's is rectangle. Okay, so in same time of shape, this shape is missing. So the remaining answers we already write in the class. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask me at any time. Thank you so much. Take care.